everyone, this is Priya. ఈ రోజు మనం ఓరీస్ కేక్ నేషన్కి వచ్చేసాము కూకట్పల్లిలో. అండ్ చాలా రోజుల నుంచి నేనైతే కేక్ తిందాము అనుకుంటున్నాను, కానీ అస్సలు అవ్వట్లేదు. మా ఇల్లు పక్కనే ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఈ రోజు ఎలాగైనా డిసైడ్ అయ్యి కేక్ తిందాము అని చెప్పి కూకట్పల్లిలో ఉన్న ఓరీస్ కేక్ నేషన్కి వచ్చేసాను. సో ఇక్కడ మనం డెజర్ట్ని టేస్ట్ చేయడమే కాకుండా అసలు ఓరీస్ స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న కేక్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, కేక్స్ ఎలా రెడీ చేస్తారు, ఇవన్నీ కూడా తెలుసుకుందాం. ఇంకా ఏ మాత్రం లేట్ చేయకుండా లెట్స్ గెట్ స్టార్టెడ్.
Hi, Priya, how are you?
Hi sir, I'm fine.
Great to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
And today we have Nakul sir, Ohri's corporate general manager of Hyderabad. So nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you. So what compelled you to be at Cake Nation today?
Because I'm a big cake lover.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Great. That's nice to hear.
And being a big Ohri's fan.
Thank you.
Finally we got Ohri's Cake Nation in Kukatpalli.
Yeah.
So happy for that.
Thank you. So nice to hear that. Yes, Cake Nation is one of our fastest growing vertical of the company today.
Yes.
Now we have 5 Cake Nations across Hyderabad, and we are growing actually in more, coming up with new stores. Our executive director, Mr. Hohri, decided to venture into premium cake stores couple of years back. So, like any other Ohri's outlet,
yes.
we always ensure that the guests get the best experience whenever they are at any of our.
And sir, tell me, in Cake Nation, what all cakes we can get, all flavors,
Right.
or what specialty?
So, first of all, I would like to ask you, which is your favorite flavor?
Oh, mine
which
is
cake you love, like the most?
Mine is always chocolate. Any type of chocolate flavor I like.
Oh, that's great. So, in chocolate, like we have chocolate truffle, we have Death by Chocolate, two of the flavors which really are trending a lot.
Yes.
Then, obviously, we have lot of our signature cake like butterscotch.
Tell me, what's your favorite, sir?
So, my favorite is obviously chocolate truffle.
Oh wow!
So,
I think chocolate truffle is also one of the fast-moving or trending cake.
Trending cake. Yeah, it is. I think one of Ohri's signature cakes. And then we have many other signature cakes like pineapple, butterscotch, red velvet, and obviously now we have a good range of pastries out here.
Oh.
We have donuts.
So it's something like all the dessert things, cake and dessert.
Yeah. So cake and cake-based desserts.
Okay.
Then we have dry cakes, which are very famous. Ohri's dry cakes are very famous. We also offer cookies. There are a lot to offer. Now we also have recently started with cake jars, which is like we are having small cake jars which you can carry actually wherever you want.
Yes, and that is what we want. So tell me, what actually from past decade, what exactly changed on cakes and all?
Right. So I would like to say that a big change is there. As far as cake and cake-based desserts are there. Earlier, like I remember our growing up years basically, or maybe a decade back, we used to have very few flavors available. First of all,
yes,
and cake
exactly.
was a dessert which was just ordered on birthdays or on New Year's basically.
Exactly.
That I think you can say that any happy moment is a cake moment. Like in office you get a project, you order a cake. That the project gets completed, you order a cake actually.
Yes.
And then relatives coming to your home, you order a cake. Finally they are leaving back, you order a cake actually.
Yes.
So it's like any happy moment is today a cake moment.
Yes.
So and also the other fact is that nowadays people are looking for designer cakes. just not the regular cakes. I mean, apart from signature cake for special occasion, they want to order designer cakes, artistic cakes. So that is one of our strengths because we have a very good team of experienced chefs working with us.
Yes.
So we are able to offer a big, choice in designer and artistic cakes to the customers.
Because your cake won't match like any cake, whatever you take in Ohri's, it's like different designed cake. I guess you have these Zomato and Swiggy deliveries.
Yeah, absolutely. We are, our cakes are available at Zomato, Swiggy. I mean, you can order from your home also anytime.
Yes, that's the biggest thing, seriously.
Yeah.
We can happily sit at home and enjoy.
Take out your valuable time and keep coming at this place because here you are going to explore a lot of new options because we keep getting new options here on regular basis.
Yes.
I think you'll always whenever you come you'll have a variety of new choices available to explore. So you said that you love cakes and apart from cakes, which dessert you like the most?
I like Rasmalai, Gulab Jamun, all these Indian desserts.
Oh really?
Yes.
Then we have a very special thing to offer you.
Oh.
I mean, we have a Rasmalai cake. So like I said,
cake.
Yeah. So like I was telling you that lot of things have changed in last 1 decade actually.
Yes.
So lot of food fusion is also happening. So we have one of our trending cake that's called Rasmalai Cake, which is made by mixing the traditional Indian dessert, the Rasmalai and cake together. So
that was a brilliant idea because I never imagined my dessert and my favorite cake into one thing. Now we have this Rasmalai cake, which is a almost trending cake, I guess, from Ohri's.
So you feel like having a Rasmalai, just try Rasmalai Cake.
Definitely, maybe today night I'll order it from Swiggy or Zomato. Don't forget to order from Ohri's Cake Nation. What we are doing is specially
so
today?
Today, we're going to share a recipe of one of our favorite cakes that's called red velvet cake.
I think that one also trending.
Yeah. It's like in demand a lot nowadays.
Yes.
And also with the basic design, heart base, heart shape red velvet.
Every youth you believe will choose that shape only nowadays.
That's right. I mean, we get a lot of order of heart shape red velvet cake.
Yes.
We're going to today show you how it's been made. I think you can see and all our friends can also see.
Yes. So let's go.
Right. Priya, you're going to witness today how we make red velvet cake at Ohri's bakery.
Yeah.
And so let's start. Spray it with the sugar syrup.
Okay.
Right? And now he's putting the cream layer, first layer of cream.
Okay.
Next, what you are seeing is a mix of whipped cream, condensed milk, castor sugar, and cream cheese.
Okay.
So once
the cream is ready.
So once the cream is ready, now first he will spray it with the sugar syrup.
Okay. And then we'll spread the cream.
Then he's going to spread the cream on
and then
top of
another layer.
Yeah, another layer. So like this, we add 3 layers.
Oh, okay. And then again he's soaking with sugar water.
Yeah.
One more layer with the cream.
Yeah.
Finally, the third layer.
Yeah.
And we can customize, right? Like
you can customize. I mean, as per your choice.
Like if you want more layers, if you want to add more layers,
so
or a
this is
bigger
actually
cake.
the standard what we maintain at Ohri's.
Okay.
See,
but if you want bigger one, we can just customize.
Absolutely. So generally, we always ensure that we have at least 3 layers of creams.
Yes.
In between.
So that we can enjoy a mouthful of cake.
Yeah.
Nice. So, sir, tell me, what is the secret of Ohri's Cake Nation? What is the secret in cake making?
I would say it's like, any other Ohri's outlet, we always ensure that we use, the best quality of ingredients in, every food. I mean, generally our ingredients pass through a lot of quality tests before being selected.
Okay.
And also the love and affection for the, this iconic brand Ohri's. I mean, we are serving the city of Hyderabad for more than 4 decades now.
About quality.
Yeah, it's all about quality. Yeah. Absolutely, it's all about quality. We, as I said, that all ingredients are fresh.
Yes.
And we ensure that they're all premium quality ingredients what we use here.
So finally, they are finishing with a top layer with the cream. They are covering it with a whipped cream.
Yeah.
And finally, almost red velvet cake is in front of us.
No, there is. They're also going to sprinkle. A red velvet powder, which is actually made out of the sponge only.
Okay.
So the sponge actually we convert some part of the sponge in the powder form also, and then at last we sprinkle it on the top of the cake.
Nice. Finally, we got our heart-shaped red velvet. సో ఎస్, చూసారు కదా, ఇప్పుడు దాకా మనం ఓరీస్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత చాలా మాట్లాడాము. అండ్ నకుల్ సార్ అయితే మనకి చాలా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు ఓరీస్లో ఏముంటుంది అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్లేవర్స్ ఆఫ్ కేక్, వాళ్ళ బ్రాండ్ కేక్, ట్రెండింగ్ కేక్స్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా చాలా చూసాము. వాళ్ళ మెయిన్ సీక్రెట్ వచ్చి క్వాలిటీ అండి. చూస్తున్నారు కదా ఎంత క్వాలిటీతో మేక్ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ నాకైతే చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. నా ముందు ఒక కేక్ రెడీ చేస్తున్నారు. నేను ఇప్పుడు దాకైతే అంత పర్టికులర్గా పర్ఫెక్ట్గా అయితే విట్నెస్ చేయలేదు. బట్ ఎస్, ఇప్పుడు నా ముందు కేక్ చేస్తున్నారు. అది కూడా వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రెండింగ్ ఇష్టమైన కేక్, రెడ్ వెల్వెట్ కేక్. చూస్తున్నారు కదా, ఫస్ట్ ఒక 3 లేయర్స్ తీసుకున్నారు. స్పంజ్, రెడ్ వెల్వెట్ స్పంజ్ తీసుకున్నారు. దానిపైన షుగర్ సిరప్ వేశారు. దాని తర్వాత వీళ్ళు చేసిన ఒక క్రీమ్, స్పెషల్ క్రీమ్ ని దాని మీద స్ప్రెడ్ చేస్తూ 3 లేయర్స్ ని కంప్లీట్ గా ఫిల్ చేశారు. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ రెడ్ వెల్వెట్ పౌడర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, దాన్ని డ్రెస్సింగ్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో మీరు కూడా చూసాయండి ఇది.
I'm going to gift you today our special red velvet cake.
Thank you so much.
Nice.
Wow.
Anyway, enjoy.
Yes, I'll enjoy
with
it
your friends and family.
Sure, thank you so much.
And thank you for being here, and we are really privileged to have you here today. And I hope you carry on coming here again and again, and also share with all your friends. I mean, to come here and experience, this great place where you have a lot of variety of cakes and other cake-based desserts available.
I would love to. And yes, see, finally I got my red velvet cake. చూసారు కదండి, ఈ రోజు మనం ఓరీస్ కేక్ నేషన్ లో వచ్చేసాము. రెడ్ వెల్వెట్ కేక్ ఎలా చేస్తున్నారు అంతా చూసాము. అది కాకుండా ఇక్కడున్న స్పెషాలిటీస్, ఇక్కడున్న డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కేక్స్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేసాము. ఫైనల్లీ నాకైతే రెడ్ వెల్వెట్ కేక్ గిఫ్ట్ కూడా వచ్చింది. హ్యాపీగా దీన్ని ఎంజాయ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను, కానీ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళే అంత ఓపిక అయితే నాకు లేదు. ఇది చూస్తుంటే ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు తిందామని ఉంది. సో నేను మీ అందరితో ఎందుకు షేర్ చేసుకోకూడదు? ఇప్పుడు నేను కేక్ మీ అందరితో షేర్ చేసుకుంటూ నేను కూడా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాను. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ అ రెడ్ వెల్వెట్ కేక్. సో ఎస్, కేక్ ని కట్ చేసి టేస్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఆహా, ఈ ఫీల్ ఎంత బాగుందో కేక్ కట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే. ఓ, ఇట్స్ సో సాఫ్ట్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ మీ అందరికి హ్యావ్ ఇట్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ మీ. ఇట్స్ సో యమ్మీ, చాలా 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 బాగుంది. ఇలా నోట్లో పెట్టుకుంటే అలా కరిగిపోతుంది. అండ్ ఒక్క పీస్తో అయితే నేను ఆగలేను, ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఈ కేక్ మొత్తం ఫినిష్ చేసేస్తానేమో. నేనైతే నా కేక్ని ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాను, మీరు కూడా చూసారు కదా. వెంటనే ఏ మాత్రం లేట్ చేయకుండా ఓరీస్ కేక్ నేషన్ నుంచి కేక్ ఆర్డర్ పెట్టేసి కేక్ని ఎంజాయ్ చేసేయండి.